Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we have the 600 horsepower K24 boosted Civic, and it's back. So this is going to be what we're driving today. We're driving this over to Harold's house. Some of the Team Risen members are washing their cars today, so I figured we're going to pull up a nice little surprise here and show them the Civic now that it's been repainted, retuned, and drives amazing. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. Alright, we are here.
Oh, you got the camera rolling?
Yeah. Hey, Brandon. What's good, Brandon?
Velocity.
Video though, that's kind of good. Red Evo is yours.
Y'all boys hold it down,
The Red Evo's yours.
We're gonna go pick up Harold's SI. It's sitting at a Target parking lot right now.
Yes, sir. Put the hat in there. There you go.
We're whipping the SI today. Damn, this tight ass gap. Alright. That boy got all the engine lights. No! Boy got all the check engine lights. Damn, that boy nasty. Ew, he got fucking bricks. Gross. I'm the better driver. Damn it. He got me. Got your ass.
What?
I got him on the jump.
Hey, who won? Me or him?
I got that. Yeah, he said I got that.
Hey, you're the captain. Hey, no, wait.
Damn. That was fun. There you go.
Jeez.
Bam.
Wow. I'm K-Series fuel.
This is K24 boosted.
K24. That's all engine right there. So
Yeah, with a big ass Garrett turbo. Pushing like what, 600. This car is painted in a Bayside blue. It's
what is it, RBC or what type of RBC?
bro, no, that's stuff. Looks pretty good though.
And I fuck with this. I fuck with that hard. Dynasty.
Yeah, that's the guy who built the motor.
Oh, fully built. Hey, how much she pushing again? 500?
500-600 maybe. I really don't know the numbers. It's just fast. It's a fast ass car. Oh, we got some car swaps going on here. I have to drive this one. No AC, no radio.
Oh
just
man.
windows down.
I might
Just
try Harold's car.
chilling. How many cars are going?
I don't.
Only 4?
But 1, 2, 3 all the way at the end. 4 no. Got to look at.
So we're taking, I think, like 4 cars. So let's head out to the New School Automotive Meet. We made it. Let that shit cool down. And that's my dad's.
Oh.
he had me bring it out.
This is it.
The K24.
Massive, bro.
Yeah, K24 turbo.
Yeah, this is what I want people doing to my car. Congratulations, you're that guy. Yeah.
My dad's car.
Congratulations, you're that guy.
Daddy's money right there. That's not my car, man. That's my dad's car.
Don't say it's your dad's.
It's my dad's car.
No, don't.
It's my dad's car. Damn, look at the crowd. The crowd around the Civic. That's so funny. Out of all the cars here, it's the only car with the crowd. My Type R don't even get a crowd, and it's behind the building. So you're keeping the 9th gen.
And he's getting the RXX.
And you're getting an RSX.
Very soon, you know.
Type S?
Right-hand drive and everything.
Shut up.
There's some in Florida. I saw 3 in Florida. Next year this time. Yeah, like around summer.
Big moves, huh?
Saying yeah. So, you know.
Hey, RXXs, run it against me. Run it against me, close. Not winning.
We're gonna have to see.
Even in Type S, trust me.
We're gonna have to see Joseph versus Harold.
Put him with me, bro. Put him with me.
versus Harold.
We're gonna have to see who would win.
As soon as my car's ready, trust.
Oh no.
We could go.
The shit talking.
We could go. That's not shit talking. It's
The
just
shit
we could go.
talking.
I didn't say I was gonna win.
They have to pass like.
I said that there's slow.
watch
I
the
said
video.
they can run.
Move. This is the move, bud.
Well, Alyssa has joined us at the car meet here. We're gonna head to Buc-ee's and get something to eat or something. Alyssa has actually never driven in the Civic before, so this should be interesting.
Oh my god.
Into the trap car. The car with no AC and no music. Yeah, it's dark. There's no lights in here either. Alright, honey, you ready for this?
No.
This ain't no trap car. This is a race car. This is a race car right here. We are going to head to Buc-ee's now. Yep. Hey, you drive safe. You're okay.
Don't go down, dude. Literally, I'm like, not joking.
You're okay.
No, not even face.
Okay? Is everything okay? Where are you going? What's the matter? Hey, she didn't like to drive that much, guys.
Alright, then we can trick cars.
Bro, get that shit off my desk. This boy always leaves food in his car.
We made your shit into a home, my guy. I got my own
Tropical
setup.
food.
I got a soda.
Damn.
Lemonade, a shirt. Boy, I got my bed in the back. But stop playing. You're addicted.
This man swears he's what's his face?
He said you're addicted. Tell him to stop. There!
Boy, that's what cigarettes do to you. Don't smoke tobacco, kids.
Don't smoke tobacco. We're just moving our cars over there. What's that, man? Zach! Look at the lineup. We got the Civic, the Type R, Volkswagen, SI, Accord, Alyssa Cadence.
You got it wrong.
You can say the Never Stop Dreaming.
Never stop dreaming. Listen, rise up.
There's a famous person on my YouTube channel?
Yes.
Do I know anybody that's famous? I don't know anyone that's famous, but this Civic right here, this is nice as Alright, let's go inside.
I need hella stuff, so we going to the clothes section.
What's he talking about?
Need some porcelain dolls.
What are you talking about?
Y'all paying for everything, right? The couple. Don't make that confused face.
I gotta buy these dibs. I gotta buy this boy shit.
There you go. Later.
Yep. Wow. Pop the coat. Oh, Lowen looks homeless.
Hey, what's good, y'all? You ain't know. It's your boy.
I don't even know if it's recording. Is it recording?
Yeah, this is my boyfriend right here. Yeah, that's enough of it. 9th Gen is the best Civic there is. This is John.
What am I lying? Ugly ass car. Look at this ugly ass car. So extra.
Hey, bro, it's not that
Come
high.
over the side.
It's okay. It's not that high.
Subscribe, turn that notification bell on, 11 gang. Don't forget the dream. Suck my Give me money. Give me money. Money. All I want is your money.
We're gonna go over here because that guy's he's not okay.
Just cut the video.
Don't forget.
Never
Never stop dreaming.
Anyway.